Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about logical operators in C++. So, logical operators are of three types. Logical operators are of three types. First one, logical AND. Symbol for this logical AND is double ampersand sign. Then logical OR and then logical NOT. So, these logical operators are used with the combination of comparison operators, like for example this is logical AND operator. So logical AND operator, with logical AND operators we can use two conditions or two relational operators. For example, I want to check, I have two variables, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, and I want to check a is greater than 1. Simultaneously, I want to check for b should be less than 10. So, we can combine these two conditions with the logical operators, and we have three types of logical operators, AND, OR and NOT. This is about the behavior of these operators, how these operators work. So, this is the truth table for logical operator. First one is logical AND. Symbol for logical AND is this double ampersand sign. This is the symbol of logical AND, and it will definitely, logical operators will also give you Boolean values, true or false. If it is true, the condition is true, then it is going to give you 1. If it is false, then logical operator is going to give you 0. So first one is logical AND. This is called logical AND. This operator is called logical AND operator. We have two conditions, A and B. If value of both A and B are 0, then logical AND will give you 0. Logical AND will give you true only in the case where both conditions are true. In all other cases, logical AND will give you 0. Similarly, this operator is known as logical OR. This operator is known as logical OR operator. This operator is going to be a this operator is going to give us a true value in the case where any one of the condition is true. Whenever any one or both of are true, it will give us true. It will give us false when both the conditions are false. And then logical NOT. This is known as logical NOT. If condition is true, then it is give us false. If condition is false, then it will give us true value. So let's check it with some example, and then we will check it through Visual Studio. So let's first check with logical AND. First check with logical AND operator. So let's say I want to assign something to this variable a, and what I say, a will be equal to 10 greater than 5 and this is double ampersand, this is logical AND, and 15 less than 6. So is 10 greater than 5? Yes, this condition is true, so it will give us 1. Is 15 less than 6? No. So this condition is false. It will give us 0. Now in between we have logical AND. So we know, we can see from the truth table that logical AND will give us, we can see from here that logical AND will give us 1 only and only when both of the conditions are true. But when we talk about our case, only one condition is true, one is false. So it is going to give us 0. So hence 0 will be assigned to A. Now the value of A will be 0. So in the case of logical AND, what happens, if any one of them will becomes false, it is going to give us false result. So if first condition is false, it will not check, compiler will not check, go for the second case. If first condition is false, compiler will not go for the second case. Let's check it through the Visual Studio, then it will be more clear to you. Let's say we have Okay, let's say we have two variables a comma b. So first check for only logical AND operator. Let's say I want to assign a value, let's say 10 greater than 5 and 2 less than 15. So when it will check for the first condition is true, 10 is greater than 5. Now it compiler will go to the second condition. Yes, second condition is also true, 2 is less than 15. It means compiler will assign true value to a. It means compiler will assign 1 to a. So when we will see out this a, when we will print this a, it should give us 1. It should give us 1. Let's check it. See, it is going to give us a is equal to 1. Now let's check for one false condition. So let's say I write here, let's say I write 2 is greater than 15. So now first condition is true, 10 is greater than 5, but 2 is not greater than 15. So it means this will give us a false value. So if 1 is false, the whole logical AND will give us false value. So here a should be 0. So here a is 0. This is how logical AND operator works. If I write check for logical OR operator, logical OR operator says that it gives us false value only when both of the conditions are false. Logical OR AND gives us true value when both conditions are true. Logical OR operator gives us false value when only when both conditions are false. So for example, until unless any one of the condition is true, logical OR will keep us giving true. So let's say we have a variable a, and what we say, a is equal to 10 greater than 5 and sorry, it should be OR. Greater than 5 or 5 less than 2. So first condition, when we compiler check the first condition is true. So it will not go to check the second condition. As soon as compiler will get one condition true, it will give us, in case of OR, it will give us true result and value of a will be 1. In case of AND operator, as soon as compiler will check the first condition is false, that will give us false. So let's check this OR operator or logical OR operator also on YouTube, Visual Studio. So in place of this AND, if I put it OR here, so it means first is true, second is also true. So when both are true, definitely it will give us true. So let's run it. See, this is true. If any one of them is true, then also it is, sorry, first was false. So any one of them is true, then it will give us true. If we say that both of them are false, see, first condition is false and second condition is also false, then only it will give us false. Now it will give us 0. If any one of them is true, for example, I make it true. If any one of them is true, then logical OR will give us true. So this is about logical OR operator. Now let's discuss about not operator. Let's say b is 1. Say if I write, if I declare another variable, let's say I declare another variable x and I say x is equal to not b. So whatever be the value of whatever is the value of b, if b is true, it will make it false. Compiler will make x false, not b. If b is false, compiler will make x true. So let's say cout x equal to x and go to the next line. So x will be 0. Now x is 0. So this will work for any value greater than 0. Let's say b is 5. Then also x, for any value it will work on for any value that is greater than 1 or greater than 1. X will be 0. If I say b is 0, then x will be 1. So these are logical operators. In the next video, we will discuss about bitwise logical operators, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, how they different from the logical AND and logical OR. Thank you.